Hey everyone, how is it going? And today we are on Leadboard with another problem, that is intersection of two linked lists. So we are given two linked lists, and what we need to find is an intersection point of both of them. So for example, for these two linked lists, the intersection point is this node, and for these two linked lists, the intersection point is this node. And also if there is no intersection point, then we need to return null. So we need to return null if there is no intersection point. So that is our problem statement, and we will move forward to our solution. So what the approach that we will use here is we will start a pointer from the first linked list, and we will start a pointer from the second linked list. Now, one thing that I want to bring your notice to is this thing. So, if we traverse this linked list and then traverse these two nodes as well, then we will reach at the intersection point. And also from the linked list A, if we will traverse the whole linked list and then we will traverse these three nodes, then we will again reach at the same intersection point. Now if you will count the number of steps that we have taken from the first linked list to reach intersection point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and at the ninth step we reached our intersection point. And if we will see from the first linked list. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So at the ninth step, we again reach at the intersection point. So simultaneously, if we start from here and once we are finished, if we start again from the this A node, and in the similar fashion, if we traverse this whole node and once it becomes null, if we start from B, then there will be at some point both of the pointers will reach at a point where they will become equal. So once we hit that case, we will return that node, or else what we will do for this case, it may happen that we traverse this node, then we reach traverse this node also, and the whole becomes equals to null, and then we traverse this node and this node as well, and then the whole becomes equals to null. So in that case we will be keep on traversing, and then we will hit a infinite loop. So what we will do here is we will just put a counter that we need to occur only there will be only two nulls in the traversal. So one for the first linked list we will occur a null, and one for the second linked list we will occur another null. And if the null counter becomes more than 2, then it means there is no intersection point. So that will be the case where we will exit and we will return null. So we have discussed the intuition behind the solution. Let us code it also. So what we are doing here is we are having two pointers. One is ptr a, which will be equals to head A, and another one is ptrb, which is pointing to head B. And while both of them does not becomes equal, while ptra is not equals to ptrb, So while both of the pointers are not getting equal, what we will do, we will just traverse. So in that we will have two cases. If PTR A becomes null, if PTR A becomes null, then we will assign PTR A equals to head B. So once PTR A becomes null, we will assign PTR A head B and null pointer. So we need a null counter also. So int null counter is equals to 0, and once we occur a null, once we encounter a null, then we will do a plus plus. So null count plus plus. And if it is not equals to null, means we are in a simple node, then we will just do ptr of a is equals to ptr a next value. Similarly, these condition we will check for ptr b also. If ptr b is equals to null, then ptr b is equals to head of a, null counter becomes plus plus, and if it is a simple node, then we will do just ptr b is next. And while doing all of these, if the null counter becomes more than 2, then we will return null. Or else if we exit this loop, then we have encountered our pointer where both of them are equal, so we'll just return one of them. So return ptr a, and that's it, guys. So let us run our code also. Return null. Null will be in caps. Answer is accepted. Let us submit also. So our solution has been accepted. If you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a better suggestion or solution, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.